Hi everyone, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. Firstly, I'd like to thank everybody that has subscribed to the channel, and we've just hit over 400 subscribers. That really is appreciated, far more than I can really express, and it's certainly more than I ever dreamed of when I started my channel. My next main video is due out on Thursday, the 16th of June at 6 PM UK time. And my videos are released every 2 weeks. However, over the course of the summer, I thought it would be good to release a video every week. And so in between my main videos, I'm going to release some very short videos. They're not YouTube shorts, if you're familiar with those, but just some short videos, maybe 2 minutes maximum, that give you some hints and tips of model making and help you navigate scale model making as a whole topic. And they won't be specific to model railways or model buses or anything particular, but I hope that you're going to find them useful.